I bought the 30 euros 3D printer. Let's see what we got. So, I disassembled everything and let's go through it and decide if we keep it or not. So first of all, we have the controller board. I think it's a RAMs because it's 12 volts, 12 volt power supply. So I'm probably not going to use it. It has not enough fans for my use case, but I will keep it around. Then the display. Let's see if I can get this to work with Clipper on my new board. Of course, a few micro switches. These I will not keep for the next printer iteration because I'm going sensorless. So the power supply. Please look at how it's going directly in it without the fuse. Then we have the heated bed. It's 21 by 21 millimeters and a lot of V volts. Also the standard extruder, which is actually quite nice. It's better than many of my old printers. So we have two normal steppers, a few extrusions. It's 20 by 20 or 20 by 40 millimeters. Yeah, not as generic as I wanted it to be. Hot end, again 12 volt. I will probably change this. Then a few fasteners, also a new fan, some scrap, spare cable, a few rods, belts. I will probably throw them away. And these set motors. So yeah, funny thing about these, they're just connected by, oh no, these are the set motors. Both motors are connected to one single connector, so this is wired. I would definitely break them up. Yeah, so the goal is to 3D print me a new printer. I'm going to buy a few more elements like linear rails, and yeah, let's see how far we can get.